Given that my audio on the video I just recorded didn't actually go through, I'm going to make a little side video of a game since I'm not going to have to take twice as long to edit that one because I'll have to do a video overhaul. So I have a bunch of random games that I've downloaded off of Steam that I just wanted to try out, and I was gonna just like have them as like a mini side project, but this actually works better because I don't have I won't have to edit these. I'm not going to do any edits on them. I'm just going to record, put in my intro and outro, and upload them. So I'm just going to pick a random one. Let's do Live Maze. And I'm just going to play these games and upload them so that I do have content when I'm editing, so I'm not leaving everybody on. Isn't Unity the scam, like, money games that you can download on your phone? Haven't those been a thing? I might encounter bugs, of course. I'm not going to go into the Discord. No. Tutorial. These are the other settings. Thank you for telling me this is the lobby. Okay, and that's how I close the game. WSD to move the camera, scroll to be able to zoom, spacebar to lock in on the nearest player. Pressing this will get rid of the tutorial forever. Okay. Cool. I don't have a Twitch channel. Nah. I'm just gonna say Moonchild. Number of AI. Let's do 4. 4 seems like a good number. Window mode. Borderless. Map size. Let's start with small. Movement method. Smooth. Bomb spawn. Holy bomb. Play per view. I don't know what that means. Let's just do default. Bombs are lethal. Bots can start. Okay. I'm so confused on what this is, so we're gonna hit play. What on earth is this? Well, that seems boring. Put some bombs in there. Let's see what a holy bomb is. This might be like a, oh, whatchamacallit. Yeah, I think they're just like going through, and I think. Huh. I don't understand how this game works. I think it might just be. Did not finish. I think you might just have to actually play it. So that was short-lived. We're gonna uninstall that one. We'll have to go to my Steam. I'll have to do that later. I'm gonna make myself a note to uninstall Live Maze. I might have to just do it on a live, but I'm not ready to live stream yet. That seems very confusing. I'm an English major and I forgot how to write maze. It's fine. Uninstall. Okay, let's try something else. Just a humble swordsman. That sounds cute. Splat cat styles. Let's do Jack the Screen, the fluffy. What? Yes, we wanted to do that. Jack the Screen, the fluffy, the spiky, and the spicy. Oh my goodness, that's so silly. YSAT Innovation School. Berklee College of Music. Unreal Engine. Okay, now I'm very intrigued on what this is. Wrong ship. But, oh my goodness. It's like twitching out. Jactus Green, the fluffy, the spiky, and the spicy. I don't have any. That's unfortunate. I don't have any. I don't know what I pressed. I was just pressing random keys on my board and making it do this. I need to turn off this music. This is aggressive. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, you can see my name there. Ah! I have an Xbox controller, but I don't know what to do about that. It pulled up Okay, let's go here. Because this is a safe bet. And then we're gonna close all windows. Oh my goodness, that was chaotic. Okay. Oh my goodness. I have frames I need to get rid of in that one because you've seen my real name now. Everybody who sees this one must die if you see my real name. I'm gonna try. I lied. This is going to be edited because I have to edit out my name now. That's okay. So Jactus Green. I forgot to set. Oh, these were supposed to be half an hour, not even like 15 minutes. I forgot to set a timer. We're gonna do the timer starting now. Timer. 15 minutes. Okay, start. Okay, I have a timer started now. Oh my goodness, that was ridiculous. Jactus Green. Xbox. I'll see if I can connect my Xbox because I don't have a wired Xbox. I have the Bluetooth one. So I'll see if I can Bluetooth connect that stuff. Okay, we're gonna move this one over into this corner. I'm gonna put him all by himself real fast. This isn't going how I planned. I planned to play one game, but we have had. Oh, that is loud as well. Oh! Oh, not it doing this again. Okay, it closed me out of the game, which is interesting. Well, I think that one needs to have an Xbox controller too, because I can't figure out how to click enter. Okay, well, this is going so poorly. It's so ridiculous. Honestly, I might just start playing Webkins for shits and gigs. Okay, let's see what Splatcat is. Let us see. See, it makes sense because these are all like the free to download, like made by oh my god, it's Unity again. Oh my goodness. And oh no, this is just gonna be exactly like the Jactus. Oh. Oh. So far I have a mouse. Okay, draw. have to get to the star. Okay, guys. Ah. Why am I struggling so much? Oh, there we go. Okay, now I have a paintbrush. Oh, I should have made a... Okay, we're doing a lot better now. I don't think I'm supposed to touch those things, so let's do this. Oh my goodness! Okay, I was right. But how am I supposed to get over that one? Oh, that was stupid. See, how am I supposed to go down though? So confused. Like, I get all the other ones. This one makes no sense though. I don't want to quit all the way out. My goodness. Okay, so let's go back to that because that one's actually working. What is happening? I don't understand how I'm supposed to get past it. I'm usually so good at these games. What's happening? I'm so confused. Okay, now it's not letting me draw? Okay, I don't know how I just threw... I don't know how I did that, but not letting me draw a line. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry guys. I am a mess and a half right now. Okay, we're doing it. We're making money moves. Oh no. This is ridiculous. Mother trucker. Yes! What on earth are those? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Okay, so that works. It's so hard for me to keep up like a consistent train of speaking while I'm doing this. And I keep forgetting that I need to be talking. Oh my goodness. Why am I stuck? Oh no! Oh no. That was devastating. Okay, so I can't do that. Ugh. I definitely need to work on just like being able to talk more randomly while doing this. Haha! That's right, losers. Oh my goodness. Oh, the 15 minutes is up. Okay, we're gonna try and beat this level, and then I'll probably be done with this game for the day. And this one will be uploaded probably tonight, because I'll probably do this one before I even think about voice recording for the other one. Oh no. That's problematic. Oh, I'm so mad at myself that I didn't check the sound before I even did it. What would be worse is if after I checked the sound for this one, if the sound didn't actually work for this one, I would be so mad at myself. Cannot even explain how irate I would be. Like on a scale of 1 to 10, to like a 12 and a half. Oop, don't fall. Oh my goodness, don't fall. Oh no! Oh. Devastating. Oh, I thought I hadn't thrown it fast enough. That was also really close. No! I don't know why I drew that one so close. That was funny. That's fine. Ah! Ah! This is so... Ooh. Okay. Okay, we're good. Oh, okay. See, it's confusing because, like, W and spacebar are both jump. So I'm, like, struggling. To pick the one. There we go. See, now I won't fall. That was so close. Okay. I did it! Can I not touch the black stuff? I bet I can't. Yep. Okay, that's a problem for next time, though. Next time I make one of these videos. Okay. We're gonna... Oop! No. Save and quit. There we go. Slay. Oh my gosh. Okay, that was actually really fun. I do have to, even though I said I wasn't going to edit these, I do have to edit it slightly because I opened up a thing and it had my name on it while I was trying to exit out slides. But that's like a 2-second slice cut thing that I can do, like chop it and delete it. But thank you so much for coming to this video. Like, subscribe, and if you have specific games that you want to see me play during like these smaller interlude videos, just put it in the comments. Love y'all. Bye.